What is going on, guys? It is David from the PD team, and in today's video we're going to be going over how to set up your V3 capture windows for Yeezy Supply. This is very important to do, so make sure you pay attention. We're going to start off by going over to the settings tab, and in your settings tab you will see all these little check marks. Make sure you don't have most of these on. I usually only have my Discord or my Slack webhook on and my auto click on, and I'm usually good for Yeezy Supply. With that said, we can go ahead and move on to the actual V3 capture windows. So to actually sign in, you can go ahead and click the little G logo button, and it'll show up a page where you can actually sign into your Gmail. As you can see, go ahead and go through the normal process, and once you have done that, it'll actually show up to the YouTube page. And once you're in the YouTube page, you can go ahead and close it. Make sure before signing in, if you do have a proxy that you're using with your Gmail, to insert it into the proxy field and click save beforehand. Make sure you click save after doing each action, just to make sure your settings are saved so it doesn't cause any problems while running. Now, let's say if you're ever trying to log out of your Gmails, you can either go ahead and clear your V3 session by clicking the little trash can button, or you can go ahead and click the G logout all. This will go ahead and log out of all your Gmails. And in the case that that doesn't work and you want to go ahead and sign out manually and then sign in with a different Gmail, you can go ahead and click the little G logo button once again, go into the YouTube page and sign out manually. This will go ahead and clear the YouTube session or the Gmail session, as you can see, and then you can go ahead and sign in with a different Gmail. Now, moving on to how to actually open up your V3 capture windows, you can go ahead and see on the right side of the proxy field there's a little folder. This will go ahead and open up a V3 harvester. Make sure you have both of these open before actually starting your tasks, as you do want to make sure you don't experience any errors while running Yeezy Supply. With that said, you have your V3 capture windows open and set for Yeezy Supply. Now you can go ahead and set up your tasks like you normally do. Go ahead and enter your site type, which is Yeezy Supply, and make sure you enter your SKU into the specifications. Go ahead and have splash release and auto checkout on, and make sure you enter in the correct splash link. Select your size, and I'm gonna go ahead and select my profiles and create my tasks. Once I have my tasks ready, you can go ahead and navigate over to the dashboard, and we'll go ahead and start our tasks on the Yeezy Supply domain. And we are actually testing for the Yeezy 700 high. There's two different colorways that are releasing, I believe. And as you can see, our captchas are starting to load into our V3 harvesters. Keep in mind you want your V3 harvesters open before starting tasks. This is very important, or this won't work for you. Make sure you have them open before starting your tasks. As you can see, tasks will go ahead and go through the waiting room or the splash room, whichever you want to call it. But as they go ahead and pass through, we will go ahead and see them go through the process of checking out. As you can see, they went ahead and started adding to cart. We're gonna go ahead and see them start shipping, address, etc. So now we'll go ahead and wait and see. Once the windows start popping up that we need to verify for our cards, they will start popping up very shortly. As you can see, one just did, and they will start popping up one by one, and you will want to go ahead and solve them as they come up. As you can see, there's a little continue button, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pull them all over to this one screen real quick. And as you can see, I am getting quite a few. I'm gonna go ahead and click continue and go through the process of actually sending the code. Once it sends the code, I'm gonna go ahead and enter the code, and once I enter the code, I will go ahead and enter submit. I don't know if I will actually enter the actual code, but you want to go ahead and solve all of them, get the codes, and once you have done that, it will go through the payment process, and once confirmed, you will obviously get the check email. If your payment does get declined, you will get a payment decline message in your log on your dashboard. But with that said, that is how you set up your V3 capture windows for Yeezy Supply. Make sure you have them open before starting tasks. That is very important when running. And with that said, I hope you guys the best on the upcoming Yeezy Supply drops, and I'll catch you guys next time.